Harry plays with Hetty. Hetty plays with James. James plays with Henry. Henry's happy again.
Bags without vacuums.
Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to change the bag in the Numatic vacuum. This model is the NVR200-1 model, and it should be the same with other models as well, like the Henry, etc. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you unplug him from the mains, and yeah, do that before you do anything. Okay, to change your vacuum bag, you just pull the clips from the sides of the vacuum and lift the lid off. Remove the pre-motor filter, and you can clean that just by tapping it in to remove the dust. Yeah, and yeah, just gently pull that out like so. Remove the old bag, flip the lid on the bag, and you can just dispose of it and replace it with a new bag. Simple as that. You should change your bag every 3 to 6 months. You don't want to wait till it's completely full, as the machine will lose suction and use more energy as well. So this little bag here is a fragrance bag, and yes, I'm just going to keep that in there, as it still smells lovely and fresh. It has a lemony fragrance to it, so it just keeps the machine nice and fresh. The bags are strong and durable. You get a pack of 10 for less than £10. You can get them on Amazon, and I'll leave a link on this in the description below if you want to buy one. Do make sure you get the right bag for your machine, but I believe that these bags will fit a standard size, so they should fit most Numatic and Henry models. So make sure it's pulled all the way to the end. Replace the pre-motor filter and pop the lid back on, and then push the clips in. So let's give it a quick run to test that everything's okay with it. All good. It's all good. So these are the bags. I get them, as I mentioned before, from Amazon. They're the genuine Henry bags, as mentioned earlier. You get a 10, yes, 10 quality bags for under a tenner. Always good idea to use a bag to extend the vacuum's life. As you can see there, it fits all sizes of Henry, Hetty, Henry, and did I say Henry? Henry, Hetty, Harry and James, and is also compatible with other. So you've got a list of numbers, list of sizes that it will accept. These bags are very good, yeah, very good indeed. They leave no dust or any mess. They have a self-seal tab lock on each bag, making it easy when you come to emptying the bag. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like, and you can leave any comments below if you got any about this video. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified of more videos that I've got coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Section vide. Section vide. Section vide. Bags without vacuums.
Harry plays with Hetty. Hetty plays with James. James plays with Henry. Henry's happy again. Henry plays with George. George plays with Harry. James vacuums the floor and Harry messes with it. Whistling tunes, we're changing the bags every 3 to 6 months. Whistling tunes, we dispose in the bags in the dustbin. It's under £10. The bags are strong, probably last a long time in bags without vacuums. Vacuums without bags. The bags are strong, probably last a long time in bags without vacuums. Vacuums without bags. Bags without vacuums. Vacuums without bags. Henry has a red head, so does Numatic. They both have tools to use them on, except for me and you. Cleaning up the crumbs, cleaning up the dust, hiding out under the stairs, then coming out again. Whistling tunes, we're changing the bags every 3 to 6 months. Whistling tunes, we dispose in the bags in the dustbin. It's under £10. The bags are strong, probably last a long time in bags without vacuums. Vacuums without bags. The bags are strong, probably last a long time in bags without vacuums. Vacuums without bags. Bags without vacuums. Vacuums without bags.
Bags without vacuums. Bags without vacuums. Bags without vacuums.
Bags without vacuums.
Bags without vacuums. Sexe en vide. Sexe en vide.
无真空袋，
Sexe en vide.
无真空袋。